How you doing? John from Next Key Real Estate. Interesting tidbit. I wanted to share with you guys for those that are looking at purchasing a home in Southern Maine. The numbers from last year in terms of active home listings has increased almost 28% in the month of March over 2024. So meaning the year jump home listings that are on the market, there's almost 28% more listings in March versus last year's numbers. So, and we don't have April's yet. As I'm making this video, it's we're pushing the end of April, but those numbers won't come out until about mid-May. So, but what that means for you is there's more opportunities. Some cases here, we feel that sellers are now feeling that it's time to make the move. Maybe they've been waiting, and they don't want to wait any longer. So, and in some other circumstances, we're seeing people that bought second homes maybe during the pandemic and all of that are not using them, or it might be a good time to get moving on from it while values are still high. Whatever the case may be for people listing more, there's multiple factors. However, the inventory is up, opening the doors for buyers. Now, as a buyer, you got to consider, yes, rates are still, they're higher than they were, a couple of years ago. They seem to be hovering right around, depending on your personal financial situation. If you're needing a loan, anywhere from maybe 6.5% to 7% range, back and forth. And it's been that for almost a year now, give or take that range. So with that said, it might be a good time if you've been on the fence about getting back in and purchasing. With the increased number of homes, the opportunities are becoming more numerous to get into something. And the with the amount of listings increasing, we're seeing less multiple offer situations, especially depending on what your price point might be. Definitely homes are sitting longer at higher price points. But anyways, there's much more to all this. I'd love to share more input. Reach out to me at any time and be happy to see what your situation is and see what we can work through. Maybe you've got a home to sell in order to purchase. We've got multiple situations to help you with that as well, to get you from point A to point B. All right, I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.